Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all already know what this is about to be on. I got in 30-inch box braids, you guys. So let me get right into this whole look right here. So this is also a collaboration with Sam's Beauty. Thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. All right, guys, so I'm wearing 4.5 packs of the Freetress 2-time medium box braid in 30 inches in color 2. So it looks just like this. It took me an hour and a half tops to braid down my hair and crochet these braids in. Like, I think this look is absolutely perfect for vacation. Like, this is probably the best vacation hair I think I've ever done as far as like crochet styles on my channel. I will go ahead and give you guys just a couple of pointers when doing this, especially if you are new to doing crochet styles. I tried my best to space out the back and then on the side. So because I knew I was going to do just a defined part just going to the side, I didn't put too many down up in this area because I knew I would bring these at the top a lot closer, so I would have a lot more at the top versus down in this area, if that makes sense. And you don't want it to be too bulky or too heavy, and the same that goes with the back. So what you don't want to do is put a whole lot of braids at the nape, in the nape area, because you're going to be adding braids going up and up and up. So the reality is these braids are going to cover those braids in the back. So you need to do space, you just need to space them out in the back and space them out on the sides. And then I got closer here and of course closer at the top. As far as the weight of these braids, at first I thought it was gonna be like too heavy for my head, and I ended up being a little bit wrong. Like, they're not bad at all. I'm not saying they're super lightweight, but I can take it, and I typically do not like any kind of tension or anything like that pulling on my head or my hair, and these are good. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised with how light they are. I am 5'3", and just sitting down on this chair, they are like, the tips of them are touching the chair, and they do hit me at my butt. I just can't stop touching them, and I know that's not cute and all, but yeah, I'm very surprised at how these turned out. So, but I do also love how they are tapered on the ends, and the ends look super nice. Maybe if you take care of these correctly and install them properly, they could last you maybe 6 to 8 weeks. And you could even wash your scalp with these in, just using maybe some apple cider vinegar I have a video on how I washed my crochet hair, and I would do the same method with these as well. So I'll put that up here somewhere so that you will have it. Just in case you are in the water, in the pool, you have to go in and get that chlorine out of your hair. And you can also deep condition with these braids in as well. So I will put that video on how I did it with my crochet hair from Trendy Tresses, because I would do the same method I did there, I would do here. Simply just take some apple cider vinegar mixture, like that water and apple cider vinegar. I'd apply that to my scalp. I'd rinse it out. I would also do a deep conditioning treatment with my deep conditioner with some water mixed in so that it could come out of the nozzle or spray bottle, whatever you choose to use. And I'd apply that to my scalp, my hair, whatever you want to call it, and then I would thoroughly rinse that out and then apply all my other products as normal. Do not skip out on proper hair care, on, you know, moisturizing your hair every other day or however often you moisturize it, applying those oils to your scalp, your castor oils and all that kind of stuff, and just using your daily leave-in conditioner or lotion or whatever it is you use every single day. You should be still using on your scalp whenever you have in braids like this, crochet styles, or any protective style. That is really it for the review. Not too much to say. They are box braids. It's the easiest crochet I've ever done, and I'm super happy with how they came out. If you are a beginner, even if you're not a beginner, if you just need a quick hairstyle, if you do not want to sit for 8 hours to get your hair braided, or probably longer, I don't even know, you can do this style. So because I love you guys and y'all have just been super supportive with me and helping me grow my channel and just, I don't know, just everything, I have teamed up, of course, with Sam's Beauty to give one lucky winner some hair. I have 4 packs of hair to give to somebody in the same color, in color 2, 30 inches, exactly what I am wearing. All right, so the rules to the giveaway are very simple. You must be following me on Instagram. You must be following Sam's Beauty on Instagram. You have to be subscribed to my channel. And also in the comment section in this video, please let me know your Instagram name and just leave a comment of your favorite protective style. And also on my Instagram, you will see some braids. You will see a picture with me in these braids. Leave a comment there as well so I know that's you and you have subscribed to my channel and you are following me on Instagram, so I can put those two together. And I will announce the winner within the next week. That's it, you guys, for this video. I hope you have a really great rest of the week. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.